let's make some tacos. For taco night, the easiest thing to do is buy the Taco Bell kit. If you already have your own taco shells, instead of buying the kit, you can just buy the mix. Mix it with your meat, and you're good to go. This is the grossest part to me. Ooh. Someone once told me it's not actually blood, but I don't know if I believe them or not, and regardless, it looks like blood, so it kind of freaks me out. All right, I like to pre-mix. It says bring to a boil and then simmer and stir for 10 minutes. Just gonna make sure everything is covered. So I'm gonna turn this down, let it simmer. It's been simmering. See how everything is nice and coated? So I made my own tortillas. These are sourdough. Are you a mild or a hot person? I'll do a mild and a hot. 12 out of 10 would recommend.